Okay, in this example, we want to give the expected major product or products of each of the following reactions. If there is no reaction occurring, just write no reaction. All right, so we're in lecture 14. That's the SN2 topic. So ideally, yes, we are looking for SN2 reactions right now. So that means we want to evaluate a couple things. We want to find the substrate, and we can do that by finding where's the leaving group. What is a good leaving group in this situation? Once we find the leaving group, we found the substrate. When we find the leaving group and the substrate, we can also identify the electrophilic carbon. Then we can find the nucleophile and such. Find those things any order you want. I tend to like to look for the leaving group first, because if there is a good leaving group, then we can continue. If there's no good leaving group, there's no point in continuing. So when we look at this reaction here, I'm searching for a leaving group, some sort of halogen, or something that could leave with resonance going on to make it more stable. I do not see anything like that. I see butane here, no leaving group on it. So nothing is really going to happen here. I can continue on and look to see what I can find. Here's hydroxide dissolved in its conjugate acid, which is water. So remember that hydroxide, it can exist as something like NaOH. Just oftentimes you will not see that cation drawn in. It's just saying we have hydroxide here. Well, that would be the nucleophile. Hydroxide would be the nucleophile here. It's the species with negative charge. It's the strongest species with negative charge in here, but it doesn't have any leaving groups to kick out. So nothing can really happen here. These two things will just sit there and sit there and sit there, and therefore we say no reaction.